Welcome to Best Choice. The best electric drill is probably one of the most versatile tools a jewelry maker can own, offering precision and power for a myriad of tasks from drilling delicate holes for wire wrapping to creating intricate settings for gemstones, ultimately elevating the quality and complexity of your handcrafted pieces. Number 5. AVID Power 8V Cordless Rotary Tool. Experience the freedom of cordless power with this versatile rotary tool. Its robust motor and 5 adjustable speeds handle everything from DIY crafts to pet grooming with ease. Forget the cords. This tool features a long-lasting 2.0 rechargeable battery that charges quickly, ensuring you're always ready for your next project. For bright LED lights illuminate your workspace, even in dim conditions. Plus, its low noise operation ensures a comfortable experience for both you and your pet. Designed for comfort, its ergonomic, anti-slip handle provides a secure grip for precise control during delicate tasks. It's lightweight for less fatigue. Unleash your creativity with 60 included accessories. Perfect for grinding, sanding, polishing, carving, and cutting, this tool is ready for any crafting challenge. Your new tool comes complete with all necessary accessories, a charging cable, and a convenient storage bag for easy portability and organization. What we like. This tool boasts a powerful 8V motor and 5 variable speeds, perfect for a wide range of DIY tasks. Its 4 front LED lights illuminate your work area, making it ideal for detailed projects in low light. If you need a versatile tool with excellent visibility for intricate work, this is a great choice. What people say. Works better than the first one and they did it all at no charge. This thing works really great, has good power to it. Pretty nifty little hand tool. Charges quick and lasts a while. Several speeds. Works great. It's very easy to use and the battery seems to last quite a while. The battery seems to last for several hours when I'm using it all day before I need to recharge it. I like the lithium battery. I know it was the only way to go with the full-size, multi-speed tool. Number 4. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool, your perfect companion for all your DIY fine work. It's designed for precision and ease of use. With 5 adjustable speed settings, ranging from 5000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute, you can easily find the perfect speed for any task. This ensures optimal power and control for various scenarios. Its compact and lightweight design makes it feel like holding a pen, offering ultimate control and comfort. You can take it anywhere and use it whenever inspiration strikes. Powered by a 3.7V rechargeable battery with a 2000 mAh capacity, it provides over 200 minutes of use on a single charge. The convenient USB charging makes powering up a breeze. The upgraded LED indicator light illuminates your work area, reducing shadows and improving visibility. This allows for more precise work, especially in darker areas. This kit comes with 69 essential accessories, making it a comprehensive tool for sanding, polishing, drilling, and engraving. It's ideal for detailed DIY projects. What we like. This mini rotary tool is incredibly compact and lightweight, feeling like a pen in your hand for ultimate control. With 5 speed settings and convenient USB charging, it's perfect for fine detail work on the go. If you prioritize precision and portability for your crafting, this tool is an excellent option. What people say. The drill is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver for detailed work. It offers variable speed control, allowing for precise adjustments depending on the material and task. The battery life is impressive, providing several hours of continuous use on a single charge. Number 3. Fanttik F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. Introducing the Fanttik F2 Master Mini, your ultimate companion for intricate DIY projects. Experience powerful performance with its Neopulse motor and 5 adjustable speed settings, reaching up to 25,000 revolutions per minute. Enjoy a quieter workspace with its brushless hollow cup motor, reducing noise by 30%. It delivers exceptional strength with less heat, making precision tasks effortless. The innovative Ravoster hub keeps all 35 accessories neatly organized and within reach. Switching between grinding, polishing, drilling, and engraving has never been easier. Weighing only 0.22 pounds, this tool is incredibly portable. Its durable aluminum case ensures it's ready for any creative endeavor, wherever you go. Navigate tasks with ease thanks to the integrated speed control and LED indicator. It's waterproof and dustproof, designed to adapt to any environment. Charge fully in just 60 minutes with the universal Type-C port. A convenient power indicator keeps you informed, so you can focus on your craft without worry. What we like. Featuring a whisper-quiet brushless motor and a unique Revoster hub for organized accessories, this tool offers powerful performance with reduced noise. Its lightweight aluminum case makes it easy to handle for extended periods. If you're looking for a modern, efficient, and well-organized tool for precision tasks, this is the one. What people say. The drill is lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for intricate jewelry tasks. It comes with a variety of drill bits suitable for different materials, which is very convenient. The variable speed control allows for precise drilling, preventing damage to delicate pieces. Number 2. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool 4V. Never let a dead battery stop your flow. Our rotary tool features a 1M Type-C fast charging cable, allowing you to use it while it charges. Say goodbye to interruptions and stay in your creative zone. Unleash your creativity with our upgraded motor. This tool provides more power for your DIY projects, handling small materials with ease. Perfect for adding those special details and personalizing gifts. Experience enhanced battery durability with our unique charging protection. This ensures a longer lifespan and optimal performance, so your creativity is never compromised. Just wait a few minutes after a full discharge for normal charging. Tackle any small DIY task with ease thanks to 5 adjustable speeds. Even beginners can enjoy effortless control. Its lightweight design reduces hand strain, allowing you to work for hours without fatigue. This versatile tool comes with 42 popular accessories for all your fine DIY needs. It's perfect for engraving, sanding, polishing, and more. It's like having a portable toolbox right in your hand. What we like. Never be interrupted by a dead battery again, as this rotary tool can be used while charging. It features an upgraded motor for enhanced power and built-in charging protection for extended battery life. If you often find yourself needing to work for long stretches without interruption, this tool's use while charging feature is a game changer. What people say. Works okay. Kind of small and not that much torque, but does its job, such as drilling holes, sharpening scissors, smoothing surfaces. It helps the nail lift off relatively easily. I have to use a little prier underneath the fake nail and my natural nail, and I do have to use quite a bit of product to get the nail to come off, but this really does work beautifully. Good stuff, better than I thought it would be. Does the job. Light, chargeable, cordless, and easy to set up and use. Number 1. HARDELL Cordless Mini Rotary Tool Kit. Introducing the HARDELL Cordless Mini Rotary Tool Kit, your perfect companion for all your crafting and DIY needs. It's designed for versatility and ease of use. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can precisely control the tool's performance. This allows for perfect results whether you're sanding, polishing, or carving. Enjoy extended working sessions thanks to its long-lasting battery. And when you do need a charge, the USB-C fast charging gets you back to work in no time. Work with confidence in any lighting condition. The integrated LED light illuminates your project, reducing shadows and ensuring accuracy. Its compact and lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold and operate, even for extended periods. It feels as natural as holding a pen. This kit comes with 69 essential accessories, covering a wide range of tasks like engraving, cutting, drilling, and more. Everything you need is right here. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This versatile tool is ideal for anyone who loves DIY projects, crafts, or making unique handmade items. What we like. With an impressive battery capacity offering up to 200 minutes of use and Type-C fast charging, this tool keeps you powered for longer. The integrated LED work light ensures visibility in dark areas. If you need a reliable tool with extended runtime and quick charging for continuous crafting sessions, this is an ideal companion. What people say. The blade attachment worked beautifully. I was able to delete the chips. I am amazed at the uses I can foresee for this, including the polishing of jewelry. It comes with a light that's very bright, and helps seeing what you're doing. It feels great in your hand and is extremely quiet. This model runs when charging. It's built well, and runs like you paid 3 times the price. Plus, it's presented in a very nice case that'll probably outlast the tool, alone with an impressive assortment of burr bit, saw blades, sanding tubes, and much more. This tool works for me. One thing that I like is that Dremel collets work with it. This means that I can use bits from 1/16 to 1/8. For light projects like cutting eggshells, it is excellent. It has 5 speeds and runs smoothly with little vibration. The handle is slim and easy to control. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.